Hi everyone. So it's been very difficult to choose any one topic to talk about, but I have decided to talk about the much spoken but easily forgotten topic of the month, that is mental health. After the suicide case of Sushant Singh Rajput, everybody in the country has been talking about mental health either on social media or in person. But just after a week or two, everybody just forgot about it. Um, we the people of our country take physical health so seriously, being it from eating healthy to doing yoga, or just the homemade treatments of haldiwala doodh to the complex treatments of big diseases. The fact that disheartens me is we don't even know what mental health is, we don't even talk about it, and when somebody comes to talk about it, we don't pay attention. you know uh, the fact that nobody knows that mental disorders are treatable, are curable. That nobody knows when to approach for help, nobody knows when they are being overwhelmed by something that is affecting their mental health. The fact that a lot of people in the country are affected by such things, that they do not have a good mental health, we just don't know about it. I just feel like, it's as important as physical health, as curable as any physical disorders. We are, the thinking pattern of the country people is not that much open to talk about it, but we, as people who know about it, we as people who are educated about it, we need to play our part to spread the message, to spread the awareness, to tell people that they can get help whenever they want, to tell people that mental health is a priority as physical health is. We need to play our part, and I hope we'll do that. Thank you.